Hello creative minds, after a long time I'm back with another Photoshop tutorial. So today I'm going to do this. How to create this kind of text effect in Photoshop. So if you want to learn this, just watch until the video. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and break the subscribe button. I want subscribe. So let's go to the screen. So here is our picture and we are going to create a subject selection. So go to the quick selection tool and hit subject selection. I'm sorry, it's select subject. And here's something unwanted. Sorry. Just hold the Alt key and remove these areas. Yeah, fine. Now just create a layer mask and now duplicate this layer and go to the filter and go to the Gaussian blur and make it 10 and hit OK. And now go to the file and save a copy and choose this copy to PSD format and save it and hit OK. So let's undo this again, hit Ctrl Z, we don't need this, delete this file. Now we need a background. So go to the adjustment layer and select solid color and make it totally black and hit OK and drag it to the background. Go to the tool panel and select the text tool and place it over all the image. Now if you want to change anything there, you can change the font size and make it bold. Yeah, fine. And now select the text layer and go to the filter and distort and displace and convert it as smart object and make it both 20, also this 20 and hit OK. So now we have to choose that PSD format. Here is it. And open it. And now you can see the shape is convert with the body shape. And now just drag the image over the text layer and make this image clip on the text. You know how to do this, just Ctrl Alt and G. Here is it. So here is your text image is ready. And now if you want to color it, and there is many way to color it. So I'm going to choose the hue saturation and select the colorized and now play with the color, which color you like you can choose. There is red, some, and decrease the brightness a little bit. Yeah, fine. Here it is. And now it's look awesome. So here is your text portrait is ready. And if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. And if you have any question, just ask in the comment box. So goodbye for today and wait for the another video.